What do you think is the best take on fish farms?
You just had to. I have opinions that are probably going to be controversial, that most likely will offend some people, and it's not intended in that way. It's literally just my perspective, and we're all entitled to our perspectives, and I'm willing to change mine when new information comes my way. Nothing I believe or think is set in stone. I'm rational that way, to take in new information. But from what I see, it's a sad fact and a necessity that as the planet's population of human beings increases, the demands on the natural resources of the planet increase beyond the point of the planet's ability to sustain that. So, unfortunately, I see fish farms as a necessity. Having said that, I will say that fish farms in their current incarnation are not the most beneficial and the most eco-friendly as they could be. More research, more science, more funding could go into that area to make them more compatible with the natural scene, the natural way. I believe really strongly in restocking and things like that, the natural stocks in the natural locations they should be, that more effort should be put to that. I don't really like invasive species or species that shouldn't be in a certain area, forced to be in a certain area. For instance, Atlantic salmon in the Pacific waters, that doesn't make any sense to me. I do understand the necessity of fish farms insofar as meeting the demand for seafood around the planet, and that fish farms are a way of meeting that demand. I understand that, and I think that we could find a better way of going about that. I think we could find a more balanced, ecologically friendly approach. And if we had more people thinking about it and working towards that goal, I'm confident in humanity's ability to find, problem-solving solutions in that, right? So we could improve fish farms, and we could have bigger community-friendly, ecologically friendly fish farms all through the coast, because it's largely good place to be for that. So I think we could work on it. It's just as it is now. It causes more harm than good, and the quality of the fish as a cook, I absolutely abhor cooking with farmed salmon. I find it really difficult to get the same level of quality that natural wild salmon gives you. The color is different. The flesh's consistency is different. The taste is different. There's so much between an animal that's lived its whole life doing what it does to one that's stuck in a little tiny pen with a bunch of others swimming around, getting fed at certain times. It'd be the equivalent of you living in your bathroom. It's not natural, and it's not how you develop strong, healthy salmon. So yeah, that's my take on it. Anyways, I think they're a necessity. They potentially a good thing, but definitely something that needs massive improvement.